How's it going, YouTube people? Okay, in my previous video, I showed you guys how to remove wood floor from a concrete slab. Now, what I'm actually trying to do now is I need to remove this glue and the self-leveling concrete. It's like a quarter-inch layer of flooring stuck to our slab. Now, the best way to remove this is once again by using the same roto hammer tool with a nicely sharpened little spatula here. And basically I got my bucket, I got my earplugs, my safety goggles, a handkerchief, and this is a do-yourself thing. It'll probably take a couple of days. It comes out little by little, but it does come out. So this is basically what I do. And when you do this handle that I have here, you adjust it to, the way you want it. And what I do is I add pressure to the handle, and the machine, when I turn it on, it's got a self-lock for the trigger, so it kind of works on its own. So it doesn't bounce everywhere, right? So as you can see, it's an excellent tool. As the chisel blade, it gets worn down. You can sharpen it a little more, just so you can get real good leverage in this. This is pretty much the way it comes out. As you can see, I don't waste my time trying to take this glue off, because then I'm working twice as hard. So, I use the bucket. Sometimes I stand up and I work on it, work on it like this. Kind of just switch it off back and forth, because this is more work on your back, more strain on your back. So, kind of switch back and forth on the bucket and doing like that. And yeah, that's basically one of the only ways that we have to remove this this layer. Anyhow, there it is again. Good luck on your project.